Hi guys, and welcome to Yoga with Ashton. Today we're going to rinse through a morning yoga sequence to stretch out the body and get you ready to take on the day. If you haven't already, please tap the subscribe button and the notification bell below so you'll always get notified when I publish new videos. Thanks for your support. Let's get started on your mat in a wide-legged child's pose. Knees out to the edges of your mat, bum sinking towards your heels, and arms stretched out to the top of your mat. Take 3 deep inhales and exhales and feel the breath circulating through your body. Activate your arms by raising up onto your finger pads, lifting your palms off the floor. Inhale and lift your head. Exhale and walk your hands over to the left side of the mat, leaning into the right hip. Inhale and press up. Exhale and walk your hands over to the right, leaning into the left hip. Inhale and come back to center. Press your forearms into the mat, lift up your bum, and move into puppy pose. Hips stacked above your knees, heart melting towards the mat, arms extended forward. Rest your forehead on the mat or on a block, or for a deeper stretch, you can rest your chin. Inhale and press into your forearms, lifting yourself up. Exhale and sit back for hero's pose. You can sit back on your heels, or if you'd like a bit more sensation, you can tuck your toes and sit back on them. Roll your shoulders up and back a few times. And then switch directions. Inhale and lift the right arm up. Exhale and lean over to the left, grounding the right hip down. Inhale and come back up. Exhale and lean over to the right, grounding the left hip down. Inhale back to center. Exhale and come onto all fours, tapping your feet onto the mat. Inhale and walk the hands forward a bit, moving into plank pose. Exhale and check your alignment, shoulders stacked over wrists, finger pads firmly on the mat, spine straight, belly pulled into the spine. Inhale and lift the right leg. Exhale and touch the knee to the left tricep. Inhale back. Exhale knee to right tricep. Inhale back. Exhale left tricep. Inhale back. Exhale knee to right tricep. Inhale back. Exhale left tricep. Inhale back. Exhale knee to right tricep. Left knee now to the left tricep. Inhale back. Exhale right tricep. Inhale back. Exhale left tricep. Inhale back. Exhale right tricep. Inhale back, exhale left tricep, inhale back, exhale right tricep. Release the leg to the mat and push back into a downward facing dog. Heels pushing towards the mat, hands firmly pressed down, bending the knees if you need to. Remember that it's more important to keep a straight spine than it is to have your heels touching the mat. You can pedal out the feet and take any other movement that feels good in this pose. Inhale and lift the right leg high, bending at the knee. Exhale and place it back down on the mat. Inhale and lift the left leg high, bending at the knee. Exhale and place it back down. Inhale and rise up on your tiptoes. Exhale and walk to the front of the mat, landing in a forward fold with your feet hips width apart. Inhale, halfway lift with a flat back, hands on the mat, your shins or your thighs. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold forward. Inhale and place your right hand on the mat or on a block. Exhale and raise your left hand high, twisting to the left, bending the right knee. Inhale and release the hands. Exhale and raise the right hand high, keeping the left hand on the mat and bending the left knee. Exhale and release the right hand down to the mat and fold forward. Inhale and come up slowly, one vertebrae at a time. Roll the shoulders back and exhale into mountain pose. Hands out by your sides. Inhale and raise the arms above your head. Exhale and stand up tall and strong, palms touching. Inhale and grab the left wrist with your right hand and exhale as you lean over to the right. Inhale back to center. Exhale and switch hands and lean over to the left. Inhale and release the hands. Exhale and clasp the fingers behind you, straightening the elbows and bringing the shoulder blades together. Inhale here, and then exhale, fold forward, bringing the hands in line with your shoulders. Inhale and come back up. Exhale and release the hands and shake it all out, paying particular attention to the wrists. Inhale, arms up, palms to touch. Exhale, fold forward, bending the knees from side to side. Inhale and come up slowly. Exhale here, then inhale the palms to touch above the head. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up slowly and wrap your arms around yourself for a big hug. Exhale, release, and inhale, give yourself another hug with the opposite arm on top. Exhale, release. Thanks so much for joining me on the mat today. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for new videos each week. Namaste.